Have you ever thought about downloading and saving your content that is uploaded to your YouTube channel? That's a very, very good question. We can use third-party softwares to do that, but in this tutorial, the question arises, how can that be done? Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to directly save your video and custom video thumbnail that was attached to that video on YouTube using a Mac computer in the year 2026. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, as well as a video and the customizable video thumbnail that was uploaded to the video. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Now let's go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut within bookmarks. Wait for that to load. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to content. We are now directly taken to videos. Let's now filter for a video that was, let's just say, uploaded to the channel on the very first day of the creation of the channel. How to use a Macintosh computer for beginners, the basic tutorial step-by-step guide. On the 2nd of October 2018, this video was first uploaded there. We can now click on options, download. That will take some time depending on the speed. We can also go into the video and also click on options, download the thumbnail, and there we have it. Right click, save image as, directly to the desktop. That's now also been saved. So here we have the video. That we have now moved directly to the desktop. Just now double click on this. And here is that video that is giving us a flashback of the Apple user interface from more than 10 years ago, or maybe more. QuickTime Player, and here is the image that was also saved directly to the desktop. Let's now quit Preview, go back to the web browser. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.